In this video, I will show you how 80% of viewers can quickly and easily remove negative items from your credit report. I'll be showing you my personal credit report and show you just how easy it is to find inaccuracies that can lead to negative items being permanently removed from your report. As anyone who has a low credit score knows, your credit score is the key to your financial success. It can impact your ability to apply for new loans and the interest rate of those loans. But it's more than that. It can also dictate your ability to find a suitable apartment to rent, or even qualifying for some jobs. When buying a home, the total cost of the home due to the interest rate changes can be as much as $100,000 between someone with excellent credit versus someone with poor credit. Because of how important your score is, it might be surprising to find out that according to a report from the Federal Trade Commission submitted to Congress, a study conducted by the Public Interest Research Group in 2004 found that a massive 79% of the credit reports they surveyed contained either serious errors or other mistakes of some kind. With so many credit reports showing incorrect information, what is the average consumer to do? Thankfully, there are plenty of consumer protection laws and agencies to help. One such agency is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB for short. According to the CFPB, if you identify an error on your credit report, you should start by disputing that information with the credit reporting company, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And if information is incorrect, you may request that information be removed or corrected. Notice how it is not up to the credit reporting agency which action they take. You as the consumer dictate what is to be done with inaccurate information. If it is beneficial for the information to simply be updated, then request that they update it. But if it is beneficial to simply have the account thrown out, then that is your choice, not theirs. So how do we go about this process? Well, the first thing we're going to want to do is obtain your credit report from all three credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you have recently applied for credit of some kind, you can attempt to contact the lender and have them send you what is known as a 3-in-1 credit report. These 3-in-1 reports can't be pulled by you as an individual. Instead, only lenders are able to pull these reports. They are, however, convenient because they show a side-by-side comparison of the data that is being shown by all three major credit bureaus. So we will be focusing on ensuring that all of the information is correct across the board, and if it is incorrect, that could be grounds for removal. Look at items such as the date opened, date reported, balance and limit, current status, past due amounts, etc. Now, if you don't have access to a 3-in-1 credit report, that's fine. You can still do the process, it just takes a little extra effort. Simply go to annualcreditreport.com and request your free credit report. This is the official website to receive your free credit report as dictated by federal law. Through the end of 2022, you can obtain your report once per week due to the lingering impacts of the COVID epidemic. After that, you can request your report once per year for free. Once you have all three reports, it's time to go through them and verify the information. Let's jump over and look at my actual credit reports. Alright guys, so here we are. I've got all three of my reports pulled up, one from TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Now, in theory, all of this data should be accurate and should all be the same because they're all reporting on the same accounts. So if we look at Discover Card, I have $79 as a balance, and it was last paid on October 3rd. What is Experian showing? It's the same thing, $79 on October 3rd. Equifax, $79, October 3rd. So far, so good. But what if we look at this one right below it? This is going to be my Fidelity Double Cash card. As you can see, I've got a little over $21,000. $21,041 that was last paid on September 30th. Fidelity was running one of those promotional 0% interests for like a year and a half, so I went ahead and took the money and am investing it elsewhere trying to get some arbitrage. But $21,041 on September 30th. What does Experian say? Same thing, $21,041 on September 30th. How about Equifax? Whoa, wait a minute. 21,310 last reported August 31st. it's missing all of September's payment. So it is showing an incorrect date of the last balance paid, and it is showing an incorrect total balance. By law, these companies must report things accurately, and so this inaccuracy of missing an entire month's payment could be grounds for removal. Now, we're not talking about some small accounting error, like it just didn't update in time for the weekend or something like that. It's missing all of September, and as you can see, we're halfway through October at this point. This is a serious error that has occurred and could be grounds for removal. Now, in this case, I am not going to be attempting to actually get this removed from my account because my credit score is relatively good. It hovers right around the 800 mark, and as you can see, I've always been making payments on time. So this account is actually going to be helping my credit score. Obviously, I do need to pay this balance down at some point, but I'm not worried about actually removing this, but I could if I wanted to. Once you've identified inaccurate information, it's time to demand that these items be removed. You can do this by writing them a letter, but the easiest way is to simply do this online. Each credit bureau will have a section to start a dispute and allow you to, among other things, provide details as to why you believe this information is inaccurate, as well as upload proof to support your claims. Simply describe the situation and what information is incorrect. State that by law, the credit bureaus must report accurate information, and since the information was reported inaccurately, you demand the information be removed. Upload any supporting documents to verify your claims, and sit back and watch as negative accounts melt off your report. Now, if the information is not removed from your account, it's time to step up your game and contact the CFPB directly and file a complaint with them. Here you will upload the same information and insist that since the information was inaccurately reported on your credit report, that you demand the Bureau remove that account from your report. If you've gone through your entire credit report and didn't find any significant discrepancy, don't worry, there are still other ways to attempt to remove these items, but that is a topic for another video. Speaking of other videos, if you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content to help you take control of your credit situation. And as always, I'll see you all again next time.